Welcome back to the EJ Ward FuelView training series. In this video, we're going to be going over the Ward 4 CanSeiver immediate configuration. To get to the immediate configuration, we drop down CanSeiver Management and we go to Assign Immediate Config. So an immediate configuration does two things for us, and there's two different modes that the Ward 4 CanSeiver can go into. The first mode we have is called VIT mode in the system, but it's actually a non-OBD mode. This is for a CanSeiver that has to physically wire into an engine because it doesn't have an OBD port or a diagnostic port. The second one that we have is wet hose. And wet hose fueling is basically if you have a fuel truck that is fueling multiple vehicles at once and you're just going one after the other and you don't have time to go back and forth to the vehicle to input information into the terminal sitting on that vehicle. To change these configurations, all we need to do is drop down and select it. So we have a third one as well called real-time Wi-Fi, and this is basically you have a Wi-Fi network that's blanketed across an entire city, and it's switching from network to network to network, and we can set that up as well. So you would select any of these. So let's say I have a vehicle that is in VIT mode, so I'll select that. The measurement value has to be greater than 0, so I'm going to go ahead and put a 1 in there. And then from there, I can select my departments just like I do my assign main config and my network config. I can do it by department or by vehicle. I can select all the different vehicles that are going to be in VIT mode, or I can select all the departments that are going to be in VIT mode. So we're just going to do it by vehicle, because typically you're going to have a ton of vehicles with non-OBD mode, which you might. There could be a bunch of construction vehicles that don't have diagnostic ports on them or something like that. So we can go ahead and select a couple of those. Once we have those selected, we go ahead and hit save, and it's going to set it up to where the immediate configuration is going to be downloaded the next time that vehicle or that CanSeiver connects to the system. We'll go ahead and click on OK here, and the next time it connects to the system, it's going to be able to download all of its configuration, and it's going to be running in non-OBD mode. That concludes our video on how to assign a Ward 4 CanSeiver immediate configuration to a vehicle. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.